Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, we were discussing the chapter Life and Survival of Plants, and that lesson is completed. It is finished. So, today we will discuss about the question answers of this lesson. Okay. Open the page number 107. 107. Okay. And you can see some questions are there. Okay. Which are those? Multiple choice questions are there. And see, what is the first question? Which of the following is an example of a tree that grows in hilly areas? Which kind of trees you can see in the hilly areas? A. Cedar, B. Lotus, C. Hydrilla. It is the answer. What is the answer? Tell me. Example for hilly areas. Okay, it is A. Cedar. I will write the answers only. Okay, you just click the correct mark for the correct answer. Okay. So, what is the example for hilly areas? That is cedar, because lotus is a fixed plant, and next Hydrilla is an underwater plant. Okay, so hilly areas ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರದ್ದು ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾವ? Cedar. Okay. Next, what is the second one? Plants that grow in marshy areas are called dash. In marshy areas, which kind of plants you can see in the marshy areas? A. Mangroves, B. Aquatic plants, C. Insectivorous plant. The answer is mangroves. Okay, answer is mangroves. Mangroves and Sundarbans mangroves kind of plants you can see in the marshy areas. Okay. Next, third one, a lotus plant has dash. A. Broad leaves, B. Very thin leaves, and C. Needle-like leaves. The answer is here broad leaves. A lotus plant has broad leaves. It is having broad leaves. So, lotus plant leaves ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ? ಬಹಳ broad in the sense ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇರ್ತಾವ. Okay. Next, fourth one, Venus flytrap traps the insects with the help of dash. Venus flytrap ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? with the help of what? A. Stomata, B. Roots, C. Leaves. Yes, C one ಏನು? Leaves. Venus flytrap ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. Okay, so the answer is leaves. Okay. So, these are the four, what are these? Multiple choice questions. Okay. Next, fourth one. Sorry, next one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is the first question again? Tree, you take a pencil and write it. Okay. Na hengang helkotin hangang answer barkot hogi. Okay. Next, trees growing in the hills. Trees growing in the hills have a dash shaped leaves. ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂಥವ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳದ್ದು ಎಲೆಗಳ ಶೇಪ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಒಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೀಡಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ನೀಡಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್? ನೀಡಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀಡಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್. ಹಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರೈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರದ್ದು ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವು? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಸ್. ಎಸ್, ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್? ಇನ್ ದ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. Okay, what is the climatic condition of the desert? It is extremely hot and dry. So in those dry and hot areas you can see such kind of plants like cactus. Okay. Next, trees in the plains shed their leaves in dash. Trees in the plains ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲೆಯನ್ನು ಉದುರಿಸ್ತಾವು? They shed their leaves in the winter season. So plains trees shed their leaves in the winter season. Okay. Next, Olfia is an example of dash plant. Olfia is an example of dash plant. Olfia is a kind of a floating plant. Floating plant in the sense the plants which can float on the surface of the water, those are called as floating. Okay. So Olfia is an example for a floating plant. Okay. floating plant. Okay. Next, last one, fifth one. What is the question? Dash plants have no stomata. Dash plants have no stomata. ಯಾವ plant ಒಳಗೆ stomata ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Underwater plant those are. Which plants? Underwater plants. So underwater plants are having no stomata. Then how they can breathe? I told you that plants are having stomata in their leaves with the help of they breathe. If they don't have stomata in their leaves, how they can breathe? Underwater plants do not have any stomata. They breathe through their surface of the leaves. Okay. So these are the fill in the blanks. Okay. Next, true or false is there. True or false is there. Okay. Next, what is the question is that cactus makes its food by its spines. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Because cactus do not have the cactus plant do not have any leaves. Instead of they are having spines. Okay, by which they can prepare their own food. So it is true. True or false? It is first one is true. Okay. And what is the second question? Second question is the Cuscuta. See, Cuscuta is a type of insectivorous plant. Is it true? Cuscuta is the type of insectivorous plant. No, it is wrong. It is false. Because Cuscuta is a parasitic plant. It is a parasitic plant. Cuscuta is the parasitic in the sense that they can prepare their own food partially, not completely. So Cuscuta is the parasitic plant. So the answer is false. Okay. Next, what is the third question? Places with sticky and clayey soils are called as swamps. Yes, it is true. Okay. Next, plants growing in hills are called as aquatic plants. No, it is false. Aquatic, then what are the aquatic plants? The plants that are growing in the water, those are called as aquatic plants. Okay, so it is false. Next, cactus grows in dry deserts, dry desert areas. Yes, it is true. Cactus is the example for the what is that? Desert plant. Cactus is a desert plant. So this is true. Okay. So these are the multiple choice questions. These are the fill in the blanks. These are the true or false. Okay. Just copy it in your textbook. Next, about the match the following. Match the following. First one is the plants in marshes. Plants in marshes and plants on hills. Plant on hills. Next, plant in the desert. Next, insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plant. Next, parasitic plant. Next is underwater plant. Underwater plant. And the last one is fixed water plant. Okay, here Hydrilla, Venus flytrap, Venus flytrap, then field, mangrove, mangrove, lotus. Next, cascada, and the last one is cactus. Okay, so you have to match these questions with the correct answers. Okay, first one is plants in marshes. What is the answers? Plants, which kind of plants you can see in the marshes? That is mangroves. Okay, mangroves. Next, plants on hills. Which kind of plants you can see in the hills? That is fir. Okay. Next, plants in the desert is cactus. Okay. Then what is the insectivorous plant? Insectivorous plant is the Venus flytrap. And next, parasitic plant. What is the parasitic plant? Is what is that? Cascada. Okay. Underwater plant is Hydrilla. And the fixed plant is nothing but lotus. Okay. So these are the answers with their questions. Okay. So these are the match the following. So some short answer type questions are there. Some short type of questions are there. Like how does a cactus survive in the desert? First one. Totally 5 questions are there. Totally 5 questions are there, and after that long answer type questions are there. Long type, it means you have to give the answers in the paragraph. Okay, so these 5 and these 3 total still 8 questions are there. This I will discuss in the next class.